Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to remove WhatsApp from lock screen. For that, the first thing that you have to do is lock your device. Once you have locked your device, you can simply unlock your device and then long press on your lock screen. Then tap on customize lock screen and then you'll have to unlock your device. Once you've unlocked your device, you can long press on the icon of WhatsApp here. From here you can change it to no shortcuts or you can change it to some other shortcuts. However, if you're talking about WhatsApp notifications, you can simply unlock your device, head over to the settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, tap on notifications, tap on app notifications, and then tap on WhatsApp. Here, toggle off allow full screen notifications, and then the other thing that you can try and do is head over to notifications again. From here, pull down and then tap on notifications on lock screen and then tap on don't show any notifications, in which case none of the notifications will be shown on your lock screen. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.